أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
والذين يصلون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويخشون ربهم ويخافون سوء الحساب.
And those who maintain the relationships Allah has commanded to be maintained and fear their Lord and are frightful of evil reckoning. The third attribute of the obedient servants of Allah Ta'ala stated here is, and those who maintain the relations Allah has commanded to be maintained. According to the well-known explanation of this verse, it means that these people maintain relationships and keep doing what needs to be done in this matter, as commanded by Allah Ta'ala. Some commentators have explained it by saying that these people can join righteous deeds with faith, or synchronize their initial faith in the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and the Quran with faith in past prophets and their books. In this verse, which emphasizes the importance of maintaining relationships, believers are reminded of their duty to uphold ties that Allah has commanded to be upheld. This includes family ties, friendships, and relationships within the community. The fear of Allah and the anticipation of a final judgment underscore the seriousness with which one should approach these obligations. By fearing their Lord and being mindful of a day of judgment where one will be held accountable for their actions, believers are encouraged to act with integrity, compassion, and generosity in their relationships, striving to fulfill their duties and avoid any negative consequences in the afterlife.